Hello everybody, my name is Larissa Reynold and I am a nutritional healing consultant. I specialize in fat loss and disease prevention and reversal. Now I am incredibly passionate about teaching people about the healing powers of food and how they can transform your life. In fact, I am a firm believer that for every man-made disease, there is a cure within God's creation. But I didn't always think like this. In fact, when I was in the first grade, my father was diagnosed with an incurable cancer called multiple myeloma. He was given 2 weeks to live at that time. Now, back then, we didn't know anything about holistic treatments or the healing powers of food or herbal supplementation. All we knew is what Western medicine provided us. So I saw my dad go through chemotherapy, radiation, clinical trials, stem cell transplants, you name it, he did it. But I also saw how each one of those approaches deteriorated his body a little more every day. Until eventually he got so sick that Western medicine no longer had any options for him. They told him it was time to go home and die. But my dad refused to accept this as an option, so he began looking into alternative options. And then he found a healing center called the Oasis of Hope in Mexico. Now my dad went to this healing center, and for 10 days to the 2 weeks that he was there, he started to get better. He started to heal. All their food was prepared from a garden that they had on site, fresh whole foods. But unfortunately, my dad waited a little bit too long to go to that healing center, and eventually he did pass away. But that experience kind of always stuck with me. In fact, it imprinted on my heart so much that I want to have a healing wellness detox center of my own. Now, this dream is so big, and for a long time I was paralyzed by this vision. I didn't know how to start, so I just didn't do anything at all. Until recently, one day, God told me, why are you waiting to have land and this huge facility to do what I've called you to do? It was at that moment that I began reaching out to other holistic professionals in our industry to see if we could form a force to be able to reach this common vision that we all shared. And so that's exactly what I did. And from that, our healing and restoration retreats were born. So if you are sick of being sick, tired of being tired, and over being overweight, our healing and restoration retreat was made just for you. We are giving you the tools and resources to take back control of your health for good. We want to be able to give you an experience that you can maintain long term that heals the body at a cellular level. Come experience everything that our healing and restoration treats have to offer. Our first one is this January 21st through 23rd in Indian Shores, Florida, and we cannot wait to have you. The deadline to register is December 21st, and seats are filling up fast, guys, so make sure to secure your spot today. And as always, never give up, never lose hope, never settle.